Yo, 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 how's it going? Yes, guys, who's here? Who's here, guys? Welcome. Let me just quickly do a connection check before I start. 1 second. Yo, 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 how's it going? Yes, guys, who's here? Yeah, good. All good. Connection's good. Yeah, let's see who's here. Get it in the comments, guys. How many people got here? 10 people? Nice. Just... Right, I'm just sharing it everywhere. Delete. Yeah, guys. Yo, how's it going, mate? Yes, yo, how's it going, bro? How are you? Yeah, let's hope the connection can stay good. You know, we've got 3 or 4 streams this week before we let's have a look. See what Gold wants to give us as well. Gold looks like we could see that double top taken soon. You know, Gold's created a double top. I'll go over that in a second anyway. Let's see who's here. Let's wait for a few more people to join. Yeah, I'm good, yo, thanks. Yeah, I'm good, man. How are you? Drop a like, guys. Smash the like. Smash the like. Mosquito. But yeah, I'm all good, guys. I'm all good. Yeah, Gold's had some decent entries today. It's had some decent breakouts, you know. Nothing that you've been holding for too long. But there has been some decent positions where you've been able to catch like 30, 40 ticks for sure. I'll run over it in a second. Let's see who's here though. Like I said, drop a comment, guys. Let's see who's here. We've got 16 people here. Let's see who's here from the 16. Yeah, ready to smash this session. Let's see what Gold can give us. But I do know that Gold's rejected from this level. I'll go over it in a second. Let's just see who's here in the chat. You know what? We're going to get a closure in a second, but I don't think it's going to close anywhere near what we need it to close like. No. But yeah, I do think we're going to get a decent push up in a bit, you know, to take out some of these highs, but I'll break that down now, okay? Let's have a look at the daily. The daily on Gold. Look at the daily on Gold, okay? We're starting on the daily here. Gold on the daily has actually had a decent, you know, we're pushing up, very bullish here. It took these highs, and look how well Gold takes liquidity. Look at this daily high. It took the daily high here to, one sec. It took the daily high here, and it instantly reversed. And look, as soon as it takes it and doesn't close above the high, confirms the liquidity grab. It pushes down 800 ticks. Absolutely insane. But yeah, look at what Gold's come into now. Gold's now coming into a big level here at 2650. Just looking at the daily, you can see, look, resistance, support, sorry, resistance, big resistance, now coming into support. I'm looking, and like I say, this is not my bias, I'm only looking for buys, that's not the case. But I do think Gold can have a decent little pullback before it is, if it is going to continue down, then yeah, that's what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for Gold to pull back a little bit further, and I think it has got a little bit of room to continue up, and that's what it's actually showing that on the chart already. Hey Duncan, good evening, how's it going, bro? Moe, welcome there, and Chris, great trades this morning, Chris. I saw them in the community. Great trades, Matt. But yeah, like I say, I do think gold can pull back a little bit more. How far? I really don't try to guess that. I look at the chart and you can see some levels at which gold could definitely pull back into. For example, look at this here. Resistance, resistance, you know, support, support. Yeah, gold could come back into 26, you know, 26.76 area. 26.58, big level. Yeah, 26.58 is a big level too. But like I say, I don't guess these moves. I don't try and guess that gold can pull all the way back up into here and then push all the way back down and then push all the way. I don't do that because it's just never going to happen. It's never going to go the way you want it to doing that. You know, look to try and guess what the next 2 or 3 15, 30-minute candles are going to do. And then if you can get a runner that far, you get a runner that far. Simple as that. But look at gold. High here, took the liquidity, reversal down. Can it pull back a little bit before continuing further down? Possibly. And that's on the 4 hourly, by the way. On the 15, for the intraday, for this session, I'm going to be looking to take gold into this double top for buys. Look, gold has created now a nice, look, high here, came close, didn't liquidate it. Look at the, if we zoom in, we have a high here to the left, came close to it, didn't liquidate. Now this is a double top. Why is this a big level to look to target? Well, anybody looking to go short here on this red bearish candle will have the stops on these highs. If we know that any retail traders who are looking to go short, seeing these red candles like so, we know their stop losses are at the high, this double top high. What can we do? We can look to trade into their highs, into them stop losses. When we take them stop losses, you could potentially get your reversal down then, okay? So for this session, if I am looking to buy, that will be my liquidity target, okay? In terms of what level is in the way of us getting to there, right now there's not any clean level apart from 26.61, you could say. Let's have a look. Yeah, probably this level here, 26.61. Look, resistance acting as support. However, it's not super clean just yet. I'd rather gold create me a little bit more price action like so. And we will get that. It's just waiting for it. Okay? In terms of sells, guys, I won't be looking to sell this market just yet, you know. Gold on the 4 hourly. Gold on the 4 hourly was bullish. If I was looking to sell gold, it would probably be if we can close below 26.54 for now. You know, back below 26.54. I am very interested to try and take this double top out quite soon. So if I can try and find a position into them highs, perfect. But that is the analysis for this session. I am looking for a new range to form on gold. If we can form that new range, perfect. Because the new range hasn't actually formed, if it gives us the confirmation, I'll be taking confirmation buys for sure, because the new range actually hasn't formed yet. I can't find a level to buy off, therefore no new range has formed. Therefore I can take confirmation buys still. You know, if this 30-minute close is bullish, I can get confirmation buys, because really there's no level to go off in order to buy just for me yet. That's for me personally. Okay. Yo, Dean, how's it going, bro? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, welcome everyone. Get a comment in if you've just joined. Let's see who's here. We've got Chris, Moe, Duncan, Yol, Dean. How's it going, guys? But yeah, no new range to play off yet. If you was being really cautious, you'd want a closure at least back above 26.60. You know, 26, maybe 26.61. But for me, that's just not strong enough. Any sort of confirmation, I think price will continue into this double top. So that's what I'm looking to play. You know, you could probably have a level from here. Definitely, I won't be looking for sells yet because this double top needs taken. If you're looking, just think about this, guys. If we're looking for sells here, let's say we're looking to sell here, and you start looking for sells, you're just technically being a retail trader, because you're just going to have your stops on this double top. And if your stops are below this double top and this double top's going to get taken, you're going to get stopped out. So understanding that we've got a double top above market is crucial, because we know that there's a double top here. We know that we can't be selling until we take that double top. So let's look to buy into that double top, you know, close above some levels if we create a range. If we close above, we can buy into it, okay? Like I said, and I won't be looking to sell gold. For example, let's say we don't take this double top I'd only be looking to sell gold if we got below here, because this would be the safest option for me to look to short into these lows. Okay. So yeah, that's the only level I'd be selling under for now, just because of this double top. Let's say this wicked this high. Let's say this red candle wicked this high and it took this high and there was no double top here. I'd be open to sells earlier. But because we've created a double top and I know this double top's going to get taken, these equal highs are going to get taken, the only area I'd like to sell below is 26.55 because it's the safest bet for me. Okay. I hope that makes sense. All good, mate. You? Yeah, Dean, I'm good. I'm good, thanks, mate. Yeah, decent. Looking to smash the last couple of weeks coming into the new year. Finish off strong. Like I say, I'm not too, coming into the new year now, I know there's a lot of news this week and I know that the markets are going to start slowing down. I'm not that, I am still very active in the community and we're talking and we're thinking, but I'm a bit more like not at the charts. I'm a bit more of let the alerts do the work for me at the moment. Normally, if it was just any other month, I'd be, checking on my phone a lot. But because I know that we're going to see a lot more, and be ready for this, we're going to start seeing a lot more ranges like so coming over into the new year and Christmas. I think, look at this, like right now. I was letting the alerts do the work for me. I'm not just staring at the charts. And I'm probably just going to do that now for the next week. Not this week. I'll probably look at the charts this week, but next week as we're coming into Christmas and the new year, I know a few people in the community won't be trading, but I'll just be setting alerts. I won't be trading Boxing Day, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, none of that. But I am trading now and this week for sure. But yeah, I won't be having much time off at Christmas. I'll be checking the charts most days. I'll be checking the charts most days. And if people in the community, if they're off on their holidays and they want to trade, I'll do updates for sure. I'll see how many people are trading. If we've got a decent few trading, I might not be active on the charts, but I'll do London and US updates for sure. 100%. That value will not leave. People are trading, I have to do the updates. That's how it is. But yeah, like I say, if I'm not trading, if I'm having like a couple of days off and I'm not trading, I'll do the updates and then just get on with my day and let people trade using my market outlook for the day. Nice one for the lights, guys. Smashing it. Get it up to 10 quickly. 3 more. Smash it, smash it. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 30 to close really now. We've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments too. Yeah, feel free to drop a question in, and then I'll get it answered ASAP. What time are we on? We're at 1 PM. London time now, 1 PM London. Nice one for lights, guys. Who's traded today? Anybody taking any positions? I took a decent long. I'll go through that whilst we're waiting for the setup. But I took long here. I took partials. Of course, because it ran like 35 ticks. But I was in long here. It did hit me at break even. Look. This red candle, it did hit me at break even. But as soon as price came into this level here at 26.60 at like 20 ticks, I took a little partial. And it did run like 35 ticks though. In and out. Very nice. The better trade for me that I was looking to enter was this closure here. I wanted to enter this closure here. Look at that. I know a few guys in the community caught this long here. Look at that. Beautiful 66 ticks there. Bang. And then there's even an entry here too on the 15. But there's just no bottom wick really to enter off. There's definitely been a few entries. I know Chris here. I know Chris in the YouTube live, Govia, he's in the community. He took 2 great trades on gold today based off the 15. He just let him run. Like, obviously you had your range, closed above, pulled back, gave the confirmation there. You know, he had his stop below because, like I say, and Chris, guys, if you're in the community, if you're looking at Chris's trades, and we had a call actually, and I went over, if you trade and work full time, just, you don't need to be using the stop losses that I use. You know, if you're trading full time, you can have these 20, 30. If you're trading and working, just instead of having the flip candle low as your stop loss, just have it on the liquidity grab low. Okay, and that's what Chris did. He had it on the liquidity grab low, and look at that, he's caught 65 ticks. Absolutely beautiful trade. All the same concepts, all the same entry criteria, everything's the same to the plan, perfect. The only difference is that instead of having the candle flip, he's having the liquidity grab low because he's not got as much time on the charts. And just you have to alter that to your lifestyle. When you're at home, yeah, you can use these tighter stop losses on the flip low, but he can't. So he uses and you can just let it run. He uses the liquidity grab low. It's something that you just got to do until you can go full time. If you can work and watch the charts and you've got that ability to do that, it's absolutely fine. Just do what makes sense. Tried to take a trade, but entry was bad. Where did you try to enter, Yol? Let me know. Yol, where did you enter? Tell me your entry, man. And he had that Nas trade as well, Nas 100. That was that Nas. Did you enter here? If you're still here, Chris, did you enter this? Did you enter long here? I think you did. Beautiful. Yeah, I think it was this candle maybe. And like I say, he had his stop on this low, I think. Like I say, I might be wrong. I might be wrong, but like I say, instead of having it on the flip low, which would be like a 8-tick stop loss, have it on this low here. And look, you can just leave it to run. You know you're at work. As soon as price comes into your targets, you're notified, and that's what he does, and that's why you don't need to be trading these. People say, "Oh, Joe, I can't trade this because I've got work." Well, just put it on the liquidity grab low. Instead of having your stop loss here, have it on the liquidity grab low here. You can. It's definitely easier if you're busy. Yeah, but for me, guys, I'm not really looking to short. This is the plan for the session. So everybody who's just joined, if everybody who's just joined the YouTube live, this is the plan for the session. I'm looking to sell if we can close below 26.54. I'm not looking to sell at all until we close below 26.54 because we've got a double top above market. I'm not happy to go short until we get below there or until we take this double top. If we take this double top, then this won't be my level. I'll be looking to short below somewhere else because the new range will have to form. But yeah, I'm looking to long right now. I'm looking to long into these highs, okay? So either looking to long into these highs or shorts below 26.54. Simple as that. But yeah, what I'd like is a bit more price action here to form. Close above, long into there. Bang. Session done. My entry was after it went up earlier, but it came down and went back up again. Hit my stop. Alright, yo, send me on Discord, man. Send me your entry on Discord. I can have a look and review it for you. Yeah, send it me on Discord, bro. Just get my charger 1 second. Right, nice. But yeah, right now, like I said, I've already taken some decent profits. I passed another 150k off that trade. I passed another 150k challenge. So I've got 2 now. I've got like 350k in funding with Top Step now, which is good. But I passed another 150k off that trade. You know, obviously I'm using like 10, 15 contracts. But I do on challenges. But yeah, took me a couple. Like I say, it took me a couple of weeks to pass. But yeah, good risk management. Following the plan, you can pass these challenges quickly. What's this 15 saying? Why could you not took the laws? What's 5 minutes? Ooh. Nice one for the lights, guys. 10, beautiful. Like I said, guys, when I stopped trading my personal on here, I said that I'd get in the next 2 to 3 months, I'd get over 300, 400k in funded on Top Step, and I've done that. And you've seen the trades that I took, and literally, this is why we have people passing so often. You know, how many six members last week, 7 members passed challenges last week. 7 different members passed challenges last week. Over 400k in funded in the community, and then I've just passed 150 as well. Like, they're the levels. What's the 5 minute saying? I don't like that. I'd like to take the next 5. I'm late to the party. Wes, no, you've already taken a position today. You took this with me, didn't you? This candle here with me, this long. I took about 25 ticks there. When I say I closed partials on this trade, I just closed the trade fully because I hit my target on the 150k account. I hit the 9k or 6%, so there's no need to trade it. Yeah, nice stuff, Wes. Nice stuff. So good to see how many people passed though last week. Just like I say, last week was the normal week that we normally have. It wasn't anything special. Just a standard week. We obviously I made over 100 ticks last week, but you know, to see people passing these challenges that you need, if you're using good risk management on these challenges, what's that? 3k using one contract. You still need 300 ticks. So, you know, if you're using 1 to 2, you still need like 300 ticks to pass the challenge. So good to see people passing 200 to 300 ticks worth of percentage to win, to pass. I would like to take the next 5, and I'd like to take the next 5. The only problem for me, I think it will take these highs before it takes this double bottom. The only problem for me is this double bottom here. Can you see this double bottom? Like I say, I would like to go long on the next 5. I'm going to see how much of a bottom wick it gives me, and it will be half risk if I take it, because I do think this double top will get taken before any of these laws get taken anyway. And like I say, you have got a little minor level here too that I would like to close above. But we have got 3 seconds here. Let's see. Like I say, if it gives a decent bottom wick, 8 ticks or so. But I do think it's going to fly, yeah. I would have liked to have got in that. And you got a decent 15 ticks into first targets there. But I'd have wanted like maybe a 5 to 6 tick bottom wick first. You know, if you wanted 100% strategy, it'd be that. Nah, it wouldn't. Yeah, you haven't got a stop loss yet. That's the problem. And then now you're getting into the territory of, is it even worth it? You know, 8 ticks, 9 ticks, 1-to-1, possibly. If it re-breaks this high, you would see it come into this double top. But you've only got 8 ticks there. Is it worth my time for 8 ticks? No. The only thing I'd like is it pulled back and then confirmed again. Or if the 15... bit tough, really. But yeah, if it re-breaks the high, it's going to go. Where would the highlight here? Probably going to see it push now into the double top. Oh, we're at 8 ticks, weren't it? 8 ticks. Like I said, I'm not in this position, but it's just not clean enough. I've taken a decent trade today. I'm up past the challenge. I don't need to... I'm not taking these low probability trades. 5 minute could do anything here. It could pull back and then continue higher. But from what I'm seeing, you know, you've taken liquidity, close bullish. This should flip higher into here. And if it does flip higher, this is not just the first target. You know, you've got like 20, 30 ticks there. But I think that's going to happen? No, I think it's going to pull back first. But Goldie does what it wants. Jamie, how's it going, mate? How's your day been? Week? How was last week? Your last week was good, wasn't it? Yeah, this is pushing now. Look at that. What was the entry? 63.5. 8 tick stop loss it was. Yeah. Yeah, this is just not clean enough for me. The entry that I personally would have wanted would be like down here, you know, looking for the push, but it's already happened really. If you want to take it, you need to, if you did take this 5 minute entry, yeah, you'd be wanting it to set up here, like so. You know, you'd want to be break even now. You wouldn't want to be just going, break even, you know, you'd be break even. Hey Charlie, how's it going, mate? How are you, Charlie? Not done a trade up till now, looking for the next one. Yeah, let's do it, bro. Let's see what we can find. I've only taken one position today. I'll be taking another position on another combine. Like I said, I'm only trading combine for today. I want to try and pass another 150k today. If I can. If I can't, I can't. If there's no trade, there's no trade. Simple as that. Yo, Saf, how's it going, bro? Good. One thing I am going to be looking for is the 30. Nah. Like I said, trading's not dead if it takes this double top. You just got to break back above this level here. It's just a level, really. Look, this double top is just a level. Realistically, higher probability buys are above this level, to be fair. You could say sells back below here now, but I'm not really interested in sells as of yet. Just with how the H4 is looking. But I am open to both. As always. But with this price action, I'm not. Possibly sells below here. The cleanest. Yeah, sells below here the cleanest, I'd say now. Look. You look at this, you can see how well it's been reacted to here, this level, and then look at it here, resistance, support. Yeah, this level for me now, guys, if we get below it, I'm looking for themselves, definitely. Let's see. And then for buys now, buys will be back above here. Perfect. Yeah, just looking at, scoping out, zooming out a little bit and having a look at the price action can really help. Like, now, gold's starting to create that range, which is good. Haven't taken any trades yet. Good stuff, Jamie. Good patience, mate. You'll find it. Charlie, yeah, good thanks. What, one second. What's a trading combine? Trading combine is just a challenge on Top Step, Duncan. Like I say, just focus on getting consistent, and then we can look at taking a trading challenge, Duncan. Okay. Jamie, yeah, last week in the community was absolutely on fire. We tore up last week. I'm gonna be honest with you. We tear up most weeks. To be honest with you, like, but over 100 ticks for me last week, and we had like 7 people pass challenges. I think Jamie, you were one of them, wasn't you, who passed your challenge, which is good. Saf, he smashed it. He smashed another as well. Yol as well. I think Yol and And Dan actually messaged me the other day. He passed his second. I'm just gonna update the community with this level, this range for now, because I do like it's clean. Martin, how's it going, mate? Good morning to you, Martin, but afternoon for me. Oh, it's afternoon for you too. It's afternoon for you too, man. Oh, it depends where you are. Like I say, I'm not up to date where you are in the world at the moment, but it's if you're in London. But yeah, for me now, I'd like a clause above or below. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, same here, man. Yeah, same here, Martin. It's what time is it here for me? 8:15. Yeah, 8:15 at night. Yeah, this range is kind of clean, to be fair, on most time frames. I do like it. Yeah, this is the range I'm using. So anybody who's just joined, I was looking for some longs into this double top, which is about to get taken. If you did take any, it's been a little bit of a slow burn, but you know, it is eventually looking like it's going to get there. But for me, the risk to reward just wasn't there. So what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for a clean closure above 26.33 for them longs, okay? And then for sells will be back below 26.59. We had 26.59 this morning in the community for buys here. We took buys here. There were some nice buying opportunities on the break back above here. So now realistically it's just been flipped. If we get below, you've got sells into these liquidity areas. Yo, got some signal at the cafe. Can tune in for a bit. Matthew, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Commitment, man. Nice work. How are you finding everything, Matt? If the green candle closes above my top level at 26.64, should I buy? I'll never tell you what to do, Duncan. I'm never going to say buy or sell. That's not what we do. I'll educate you to what is possible, to what you could do, but I'm not just going to say buy, sell. If you've got a level here, at 26.64, 26.63, if you get a closure above, you can start looking, or I'll personally be looking for price to continue higher, yes. But guys, I'm not allowed to say buy here, sell here. That's just not what I do anyway. But no, it's not what I do. I'm not a signal provider. But yeah, Duncan, you are right. If you close above your level, you can start looking. Or if I get a closure above this level, I'll start looking for buys, and you, yeah, you can start looking for buys higher. That is the concept. Straight into these highs now. Gold. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to stay alive for today. Taken a few positions today already. Taken one position. I know guys have taken multiple, or members in the community have taken multiple positions because they've been there. Anybody in the community who's here as well, I'll be uploading another trade breakdown today. I have downloaded it and uploaded it to my computer. I just need to upload it to YouTube, unlist it, and then you can all see it. Yeah, Duncan, this 15 didn't close above, look. This 15 didn't close above, it wicked it. I mean, it's respected the level. If it respects the top of the range, that means price could continue down. The only way to confirm if price is going to continue higher is if you close above. This is not a closure yet on the 15. It's wick rejecting it, Duncan, look. You know, wick rejecting. Look at this here. This red candle wick rejected it to the left and continued down. This could absolutely happen here. You know, you've wick rejected it. You could continue within this range now. Like I say, we'll have to wait and see. The only way we can, or I can look to buy, is if we close above and confirm the direction higher. Yeah, Oliver, one trade on the 15 for me here. I passed another 150k top step with that push from here to here. Look, 37 ticks it pushed. But the reason I entered, Oliver, you'll understand all the concepts because you're in the community. But look, liquidity grab here. This green candle here closed bullish. I entered on this flip here. Bang, flip higher. And now look at that, respecting the level, potentially pushing lower. But we'll have to wait and see. What about you, Oliver, mate? Any trades for you? Yeah, I don't want to get chopped up too much in here, to be honest with you. We'll see though. We'll see. Yes, guys, smash the like as well. Let's smash it. Let's hit 15. We're at 11. If you're here, smash it, guys. How many people we got? We've got 32 people here too. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking to buy, and if we can break above here, I'll be looking to long into these highs here. This liquidity. Everything that I said is getting proven right as well, look. Everything, if you just go back 30 minutes to when I was talking about retail traders selling here, where they're going to have the stops on these highs, everything that I've talked about was correct. When the bearish candle was here and it was looking super bearish, I said I'm not selling because look, we've got these highs here to this double top. Look, you've got a double top. I said I wasn't selling when we were super bearish here. I said I wasn't selling because we had a double top that needed taken out. Needed to get taken out here. And look now, they're in big drawdown. Retail traders who have this entry are in big drawdown. Yeah, guys, if anybody does want to learn the strategy, get profitable, get inside the community, learn the full strategy, learn the system, get inside the members chats, I've linked. Go to the chat, go to the YouTube chat, I've linked the Discord community. Sign up, there's my website link there, you can sign up to the Discord community there. And again, anybody looking, guys, seriously look, people getting in long too early, in drawdown. We prevent drawdown, guys. The strategy prevents huge drawdown. Love to see it. Love to see it playing out. So good. We literally just call everything. Not just me, members as well. Like, look at that. We said we're not going long because we haven't closed above. When we close above, it's confirmed to continue higher. Look, straight back in the range. I just don't want to get. I just don't want to sit here in this PA. To be honest with you, but we'll see. We'll see. Gold could, yeah, don't get me wrong, gold could come down and take some of these lows out. I didn't say that shorts are off the cards. Like, the only thing I said is that if you're looking to short here, knowing that there's a double top here, if you're looking to short here and you have your stop loss, say here, you're at least going to get stopped out because price is going to be magnetized into that double top before it reverses. Let me check. Sorry guys, the live chat's gone really quickly. Let me just bring it back up. See if there's any questions. If you've got any questions, guys, put it in the comments. I'll see it. I'd be surprised if gold, to be fair, with how this level has reacted from, I'd be surprised if gold on this 15 closed below this level. Yeah, I'd be quite surprised. Just with the way we've reacted from it before, look, you know, rejected big from it before. I'd be very surprised if it did close below, but we'll see. Especially here as well, you know. Yeah, I'd be fancying gold now to continue higher, especially now it's created another high there to take. One sec, guys. My trading view charts froze. It'll come back. There we go. Nice. Yeah, look, reacting now. Yeah, guys, anybody who's just... One sec. Anybody who has just joined the stream, I'm looking for buys back above here, and I will be looking for some pullback sells if we close below 26.60. I would like these highs to get taken first, though. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. Like I said, gold doesn't do what's ideal. Don't think it does, it doesn't. Like I said, I do think we continue higher. But I've been on for an hour almost now, and gold's sticking within this range. See what it wants to do. If it can break out either end, either side. Yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. Let me see who's here. Let me answer your questions. Any question is absolutely fine. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. I go live at least 4 to 5 times per week. I try to do an hour and a half to 2 hours. Sometimes it changes. You know, if there's nothing showing, I'm not going to stay on here. I'll do an hour, but we'll see. Yeah, so the 15 can give us. Hey, how's it going? How are you, How are you doing? Hope you're doing well, How's your day been? Have you just started have you just started trading today? Just now? Not much, to be honest with you. Not much. Yeah, you haven't really missed much, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest. We've been, like I said, don't get me wrong. There's been some very clean moves today on gold. Look, for example, here, this entry here, this 15-minute entry here, you could have took. You could have took the 15 entry here that I took. So there's 2 entries there. There's a couple of entries here. You know, there was an entry here if you were quick enough to get on the flip. I personally wasn't. You know, there's been, just in London, there's about 4 or 5 entries. But since, I'm going to be honest with you, since there's not been much. Since that, there hasn't been much. But right now, for anybody who has just joined, this is the range that I'm using, okay? Sells below 59, buys above 63. Okay. Yeah, good stuff. Nice work, Flies. I wish you good publications. Nice one. Cheers, mate. Guys, if you're new to the stream and you haven't commented, drop a comment if you're new. Let's see who's here. Let's get some new people, some new faces. If you're not new and you just want to comment, you can comment too, there's no problem. But yeah, it's good to see familiar faces here. Oliver, Duncan, Matt, Martin, Jamie, Saf, Charlie, who else? Wes, Yoel, Dean, Chris. Good stuff. Good stuff. But yeah, choppy, getting choppy within here now on the 15. Look how choppy this 15 is starting to get. Look how good these levels get rejections from and react from. Look, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Look at it, huge levels. This is why we don't do anything within here, because anybody looking to go short here too early is in drawdown. Anyone looking to go long too early here is in drawdown. I'm just starting to trade. I'm continuing to buy a fund. Buy a fund? Buy a fund? Do you mean, are you trying to save money to put into a personal? Is that what you mean, Flies? Ron, welcome, bro. Welcome, bro. Guys, are we going to hit 20 likes? We've got 15. Are we going to hit 20? Let me know. Smash it. 5 more. What's the 30? 30's not set. Guys, seriously, price action's not really doing much. 4 hourly. I'll probably just stay to the 4 hourly closes, you know, 27 minutes. Let's see what happens. If nothing happens within that time, then I'm not just going to sit here and look at it. It's pointless. You know, coming up to the new year, I'm not going to be, like I say, I'm going to be active in the community like normal. Like talking, answering questions, uploading market updates, you know, uploading trade breakdowns. You know, doing the one-to-ones that I do. But in terms of the chart time, you know, and I do look at the charts. Normally, if it wasn't leading up to the new year, I'd be looking at the charts constantly like I do, like every 15, 30 minutes. But I'm going to well, I still use alerts for sure. On normal days, I still use alerts. But coming up into the new year now, because I know the charts can be a bit choppy and slow. You know, people taking holidays, you know, where the money... People who trade big money, they're taking holidays. The more people who take holidays, the less volume in the market. Therefore, you know, slower price action on gold. So using levels around, using alerts at your levels around this, you know, this next 2 weeks could be key for you. So you're not just like looking and getting tired on the charts, you know, staring at the charts when it's in a choppy. Like for example here, I said to the community in this range today. I said, I'm not even going to look at the market. I'm setting alerts here, I'm setting alerts here, and I'm leaving. And it hit alerts quite quickly, actually. It is key, though, when price is ranging. My 15-minute chart looks different from yours. What chart are you using, Duncan, mate? Correct now. Oh, yeah, good stuff. Gracie, it says your message was retracted. But yeah, welcome to the stream, Gracie. If you want to rewrite your question or rewrite your comment, do it. I'm not sure why it has retracted it. Correct now, yeah, good stuff, Duncan. Happy you sorted it out, mate. Yeah, I'm very interested to see what price is going to do on this 4 hour close, to be honest with you. Give it 5-10 minutes, see how this closes, see if we can get an entry or not. If anybody here as well who's not in the community, if they want a little outlook or if they want a little taster of what they get daily in the community, have a look at the video I just uploaded on YouTube. I uploaded like a 6-minute market update video that I do daily for the community. Have a look at that. You can see the daily videos you get. Sometimes I try to do like 5 or 6 per week. Some days I can just put a trade update in the trade setups channel. Like some days I can, like today I could because it was simple, but I do normally like to do a good 6 to 7 minute video. Yeah, I'm going to see how this 15 closes. If it respects and rejects this range, do I really want to sit here within this price action? Probably not. The annoying thing is as well, we always jump off YouTube Live and something happens. So I might stay on for a bit longer today. But it is only Monday. There's no need to be rushing into positions. I said that this morning in this range. Look, this range this morning was fair boring. Look at it. Absolutely nothing at all here. I said, don't waste your mental capital and your actual capital trying to trade this. The amount of people getting chopped up in this is crazy. You know, we trade these moves here that we actually caught our profit in. You know, I caught a decent 30 ticks in that move in the red cert box. Within here, just sit aside, you know, do other things. So if it closes under 25, definitely stop. Not definitely at all, Charlie. It's not definite. You know, depending on how we close out the range. I've got 2 entry criterias that I trade. I trade impulse and confirmation entries. Depending on how we close below this range, depends on what entry I will take. You know, if we close one way, I'll take the impulse. But if we don't close and take liquidity, I'll take a confirmation trade. But we have to wait for more within the confirmation. But yeah, it's never definite. Like I say, the two entries that I teach are all in the Discord community. If anybody does want to learn the full strategy, learn the 2 entry types that I take, you know, and it's not just learning the strategy in the community. You've got the 24, well, it's basically like one-to-one help. You've got all the members chats. You got your free monthly one-to-one that you get, 20-30 minute monthly one-to-one that you get. If you want to join the Discord community, guys, one sec. I'll put a link in really quickly again. It's not there. Anyway, yeah, you can find the... one sec, I'll put the link in really quickly if you do want to find it. I've got the link here, one sec. This will take you straight to my website, guys. If you do want to literally join it. Let's have a look. Yeah, right. Right, I've just put it in again. I'll put the link in the YouTube chat, YouTube comments, YouTube chat. Why do you trade levels and liquidity instead of other things like order blocks? Gracie, order blocks. People, don't get it twisted, guys. Order blocks are literally just fancy names to sell courses. Order block, like I say, for example, order blocks, fair value gaps, ICT. It's too much analysis paralysis. They've got fair value gap. They've got break. They've got break of structure, change of character. They've got you've got order block. You've got turtle soup, silver bullet, London. You've got all these fancy names, and trading's hard enough as it is. I'm going to be honest with you. This is why 90% of people fail, is because they overanalyze the charts. Look at my chart here. I've got 2 lines on my chart, and I'm very, very profitable. Look at my strike rate, 83% strike rate, and I use like 3 lines. I don't have any order blocks. I don't have any indicators. I don't have any fancy names. I don't put fancy names on any of my things. Like, don't overanalyze. Don't get too over-analytic with your charts. And when you start keeping it simple, you can focus on what's actually showing in the market. Like, you know, you break below this level. If you've taken liquidity, you can short it down into these lows and you can take your profit there. It's way too analysis paralysis for me, is all these order blocks, fair value gaps. It's a lot of, seriously guys, it's a lot of rubbish. And order blocks are just another fancy name for a support and resistance level. Look, you've got an order block here. One sec, you've got an order block here. But all this order block is a level of support and resistance. Look, resistance, 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 acting as support, continuing higher. They've just put fancy names on it to sell courses. Don't get it twisted. Seriously, do not get it twisted. they've just put a name on it, so these newbie traders come into the market and buy the course because they're trying to teach something different. It's not different. But good question, Gracie. But like I said, don't get trapped into the thing that most people who start trading do, thinking that they need to have 3 indicators. They need to have all these drawings on the charts. No. It's just not the case, mate. My strategy, Charlie, my strategy is levels. I trade levels and I trade into and away from liquidity. Like I said, Charlie, if you want to learn more about my strategy, you can join the free Telegram. There's not much analysis on there. But if you do want to learn my full strategy, like I say, you won't be able to find my teachings you won't be able to find my exact strategy that I teach anywhere really, because I've changed it and I've made it for me over like the 7 years I've been trading. You know, I've been trading 7 years now. All these little nuggets that I've had over the years, you know, all into one strategy, and this is what works for me. But if you actually want to learn my strategy, the only way to actually learn my strategy is in my community. You won't be able to pick up it really anywhere else. However, if you do want to, I trade levels and I trade into and away from liquidity areas. To put it how it is. It's a good question though. What Gracie answered about why do I trade levels and liquidity is because liquidity is key. Liquidity on gold is so key, and it works so well on gold and most pairs. It's levels and liquidity. It's a simple. Well, it's not a simple. You need to learn the strategy. It's not simple if you're trying to learn it, of course. But once you learn it, levels and liquidity is way more easy to learn than any order blocks and this over-analyzed rubbish. But don't get me wrong, if you trade ICT order blocks, like if they work for you, they work for you. Good. If you understand it and have a strict entry criteria to enter the market and exit the market, perfect. But from my 7 years in trading, this is what I personally feel, and you're allowed to have an opinion on other things. Like I say, if it works for you, great. Like if it works for you, perfect. But yeah, I just like to keep my charts clean. You know, I'll have like maybe 2 levels and maybe a liquidity level below, like so. My charts will look like this, and it works very well, and it works very well for me, and it works very well for the people in my community too. You know, 7 people passing prop firm challenges yesterday. That's not luck. You know, 7 people passing prop firm challenges in 1 week is not luck. You know, maybe one every other month is luck, but 7. That speaks volumes for me anyway. I feel that anyway. Yeah, but if you wanted to keep it even cleaner, you can just mark out your liquidity like so. Look at that. Triple top now there. Look at that. What's that? Into them highs, 37.6. How's everyone's day been so far? Yeah, get it in, guys. How many trades have you taken? How many, Oh, what's this? I tried this short. Polish and slightly trails kid. I've been with break even. Nice, man. Nice bet and good execution there, bro. Yeah, guys, how's everyone's day been? Put it in the chat. How's your day been? How many trades? How many wins? How many break evens? Losses? Let me know. I personally only taken one position here. I took 30. It ran from entry. My entry a little bit higher because it was the top of the wick, but it ran like 30, 35 ticks. Since these moves here, you know, since this move here and since this move here, we haven't really had much to play off. Here we go, Goldie. I don't like this that's happening. This is fair annoying every time this happens. Don't know why that is. We'll see anyway. Let's see how this closes. You've got, like I say, you've got decent closure in 11 minutes. I'm going to see how, like I say, the 4 hours close in 2. So be prepared for a bigger wick if you are entering after this 11-minute closure. Yeah, Gracie, no worries. No worries. Ask as many questions as you like. But yeah, the way I trade, the reason I trade this way is just from 7. Well, I've been trading for 7 years now, but you know, I've tried many different strategies, and this works best for sure. Strike rate for psychology, for understanding. You know, look at my chart. There's no. Look at my chart. Literally, there's no. One sec. What's this? Probably push it up here. Level here, probably. Yeah. What was I saying? What's that 5 saying? 5's not even pushed down yet either. 15's closed in 10. But yeah, look at my charts, guys. Look at my charts. There's no struggling. I'm not second guessing or anything. I know I'm super clean, super clear. My mind's clear. Everything's clear on my chart. You know, liquidity above, liquidity below. There's no misunderstandings or anything. No errors. Like just fresh, clean charts, and that's how it should be. Let me get this right. If that red candle closes below, that's confirmation to sell. No, Duncan. If it closes below, you can sell, but it would be an impulse entry sell. It won't be a confirmation. You could sell, yeah, if it closed below. If this candle here closed below, which it's not going to, then yeah. But I think we're going to come and have a run on these highs in a second. Some half risk entries. Half risk entries. Some volume kicking in anyway. But yeah, Duncan, you're right. If this closed below, I'd be looking for sells down. You know, you've taken liquidity here, a little bit of liquidity here. This green candle now, if it closed bearish below, then you could have a decent sell down. But I'm personally waiting for this closure in 8 minutes. You know, wait for your closes. Super important. Yeah, Duncan, it is, man. Like I said, this is why we have the range, and this is why we set alerts sometimes. Within this range here, you could set an alert here, set an alert here, and you don't need to do anything until it closes. You can set alerts, I think, for it to close until it closes below. Let me have a look. I think you can set alerts for closes. One sec. Crossing. Oh, no, you can't. Crossing down. I think you can. Crossing up. Moving up. No, maybe you can't. I thought you could. But yeah, you could set an alert here. Maybe a little bit below it. Yeah, you're probably going to see a run on that triple top now. Triple top's getting created. Yeah, it's super choppy right now in this range. But you're probably going to see these highs get taken. Yeah, you're probably going to see these highs here taken, to be honest. What's that? 20 ticks. Probably about 20 ticks away. Like I said, I'm not gonna force it. Yeah, there's no need to force it. But I do think these are gonna get taken shortly. What's the hourly saying? Nothing. 30 looks clean too. And the 15. 30 looks super clean. Some half wrist longs look clean. I need to wait 6 minutes though, unfortunately. 6 minutes, it could be on for a half wrist long. We'll have to wait and see though. Half wrist longs. Yeah, because this H4, this 15-minute candle could still close below and continue down. So I'm not entering until we close. There's no way. Yeah, let's see anyway. Like I said, let's see how this 15 closes. If it doesn't close anywhere, anything like we need it to, then I will just update you. Update the new 4-hour open and then get in the community, stay active in the community and get on with it. Like I said, anybody in the community, stay active. I have another trade breakdown being uploaded. There's about 15 to 20 trade breakdowns there now for you to look at, which is great. So much value there right now. Yeah, 4 minutes, and then I'm going to try and play half risk into this triple top. Once we take that triple top, I'll be break even, and I'll see if I can get a runner going. But I need to wait for this to close. It's probably going to get taken before it, to be honest with you. It's what gold does. It tends to take the liquidity sometimes. But you've got 4 minutes to wait. Yeah, there we go. It's going to go now. 5-minute doing? Instantly up. I wouldn't mind if it created a little bit of a wick. What's that there? 8 ticks into first target, it's not too bad. Yeah, I wouldn't mind if it closed like this, bottom wick, and then we can enter the next. I would expect the H4 to wick fill anyway. So yeah, 3 minutes. Like I said, no entry. I'll just update what I'm seeing, and I'll update the community when something happens. Let's see how we close anyway in 2-3 minutes. Yeah, guys, let's. Any questions? Put the questions in the comments. Any questions at all? Put it in the comments. Oh, don't close indecisive for us, Goldie. Yeah, I'll be wanting this to close nice and strong, to be fair, because it will be. Let's see. Yeah, it would be better if it closes a bit stronger, because I don't want it to chop about here, because that would be annoying. But yeah, Duncan, you're right. It is a bit up and down here. Be careful. I'm personally being careful. Like I say, use your risk. Manage your risk. Be careful, seriously. Especially with the time of the year as well. December can be a bit dodgy for some people. Like, I just trade it as normal, to be honest with you. I don't look at it any other way. We've got 50 seconds here. Remember, it is the 4-hourly that's opening too. So I am going to decide if I'm taking the long or I'm going to be updating. For now, if it closes like so, I will be updating and I will not be taking long. Okay? Do not like this closure. But gold can give you, literally in 10 seconds, gold can push 10 ticks, 20 ticks and close bullish. So that's why you need to wait. You can't just shut your computer now. You know, give it that 20 seconds because it can push up and close bullish and then you're entering. Doesn't look like it though. Nah. Nope. Probably, to be honest with you guys, it is probably going to come and take these highs here and take this collection of highs here for sure. It will come and take them and then possibly continue lower. But for me, there's just no entry because it's just not strong enough. But it will probably come and take these highs. You know, I've taken a position today already. I've taken a lovely long here. There's no need to be forcing it. But like I say, it is probably going to come and take these highs 20 ticks higher. If it takes liquidity before closing, would you still enter? If it took liquidity before closing, no, Saf, I don't take any trades until the candle's closed. I'll only take a trade after a candle's closed. I'll never take it before it's closed. Okay? Right, guys, I'm going to update what I'm looking for. Okay, what I'm going to be looking for now on gold is I've got a, simple as this. I've got a range like so. This is my range I'm using on gold. Okay, if this is the range I'm using, to be honest with you, I'm not really even interested to try and catch this triple top out here. All this liquidity above, I'm just going to leave it. It's pointless. For the sake of what? At these highs, for the sake of 15 ticks, to potentially get chopped within this range is just not worth my time when I've already taken 25 ticks here. It's just not worth my time when I've already taken a decent win already today. You know, I know a few guys in the community have taken many wins already, so there's no need to be trying to even force a position in this range. But what I'm going to be looking for, I'm not even going to be looking to take that liquidity in a buy, because it's just not worth 15 ticks to be getting chopped up 2 or 3 times before you get the win. I'm going to be waiting for price. Like I say, the 4 hourly has just opened, so give it maybe a little bit of time, 15-20 minutes to warm up. What I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be looking for a buy if we can close back above 26.63. I'll be looking to try and target some liquidity above like so, okay, these highs here, okay. But in order for me to look for buys, I want a closure above, and for sells below 26.60, 26.59. If we get a closure below 26.60, 26.59, I'd be looking to short into some lows like so. But within this, like Duncan said, it's like a bouncy ball. He's right. It's very choppy. Look, very choppy. Look at this 5, guys. It's not done anything. Our range that we've been working with on the open has been 38 ticks. Not much, to be fair. But yeah, that's me, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Sells below, buys above. This range is the range for me. I'm not even going to be looking for any half risk because it's just not worth it with the liquidity targets that we've got. If it targets are hit but then closes below targets, would you still enter? If it takes liquidity before closing, would you still enter? Or if targets are hit but then close below, would you still enter? Yeah. So Saf, if for example, if it took this liquidity here and then closed below, could I take some shorts? Yeah, you can look to short, of course, yeah. If I have Saf, maybe send me a message on Discord, Saf, if I haven't explained, but I think that's what you mean. Let's say if it takes this liquidity here and closes below, then yeah, you can take shorts. But yeah, if targets are hit but then close below targets, would you still enter? Yeah, because that's just a liquidity grab, Saf. I think I understand what you mean. But yeah, if it takes your targets, say these are your targets, if it takes your targets, closes below your targets, can you enter? Yeah, of course. That would just be half risk sells. You're back within the range. You're just taking half risk sells, 100%. Saf, that's what I meant. Yeah, good stuff, man. Like I say, I was thinking to myself, am I being a bit stupid? But no, I understand it. Texture liquidity, if it closes back below, yeah, of course, 100%. But yeah, nice work, guys. I'm going to go. Anybody in the community, I'll update you soon. I'm going to give this maybe 10-15 minutes and then I'll update you with what I'm thinking. But yeah, anybody on YouTube Live, I've just updated for what I'm seeing for the foreseeable. And yeah, I'll see you all. Anybody on YouTube Live, I'll see you all tomorrow. And anybody in the community, I'll see you there. I've been on for 1 hour and 40, so I'm just going to end it here. Oh, good session though. No trades, but good patience. And yeah, anybody on YouTube, anybody in the community, I'll see you in the community. Anybody here on YouTube only, I will see you tomorrow. Same time, 1 PM. In a bit. Peace.